Hello to everyone, you are welcome to my channel Felix Techno Ed. We help you increasing your knowledge through technical videos. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button that you see on your screen. If you have already subscribed, make sure you give us thumbs up. You like this video, share. This is LG main board, LG TV main board, sorry. This is IR board that you see here. It has adapter. So today I'm going to share with you 4 things you should check when your TV is not turning on. If your TV is not turning on from standby. First of all, if your TV is not turning on, first of all check this micom. This micom that you see here. I hope you can see this micom is the main IC, control IC. It is like blend. When blend is dead, you cannot, I think you know you cannot wake up. So if this micom has burn mark, you have to check burn mark on this micom IC, microcontroller IC, by your eyes. Check burn mark on micom. A second thing you have to check short circuit. As you can see here, there is a surface mount ceramic capacitors here. They are likely to short. So you have to check using digital multimeter to check. You have to check short circuit on this surface mount components. So most of the cases you have to suspect these ceramic capacitors. So I'm going to show you how you can check short circuit here using digital multimeter. So now you are going to check short circuit. You have to check short circuit. This is a digital multimeter here. You can select continuity here and check short circuit. This is a black probe, negative probe. You have to attach it to this ground here, and this is a positive one. So you have to check continuity. You see, you can hear the beep sound. So check continuity like this. So if short circuit is found here, replace this red driver IC. Here there is 12 volt supplied by this IC. If you found there is a short circuit here, you can replace this surface mount capacitors, then measure. If they have short circuit, you can replace them. If you found they don't have short circuit, you replace this IC. Check system supply voltage 1.5 volt. So now I'm going to give it power. As you can see, it is supplied. This is standby light here. So now we are going to check 1.5 if you place here on this key button. Place here. Check 3.5. Yeah, here it is okay. And check output 1.5. Input 3.5, output 1.5 to supply this micom. After placing power on button, if you found 3.5 is present and you don't find this output, you replace this adjustable voltage, DC voltage regulator here. I hope you can see. This is input, this is output. After pressing on the power on button, you have to check if you can see 3.5 as input voltage and 1.5 as output voltage. 1.5 is to supply this micom IC. If you don't find the output, you have to replace this IC. It is IC404. It is adjustable DC voltage regulator. You have to replace it. Number 4, check IR or key signal. This is a dot. Pin number 1 here. You count from here, from the dot. Pin number 1, pin number 2, pin number 3. Check key signal. Place on this key and check if the voltage is changing from 3 volt 3.5 to 0. If it is changing, this IR board is okay. So now the main board is 40. So I hope I can show you. Ground plug there on negative. This is IR. I have to use this, my thumb finger, to push this key button, and this plug has to be attached on pin number 3 here. We are going to see if it changes. You see? Let me press again. You see? Now this IR board is sending commands to the main board. If this key signal is not present, this IR board is defective. You have to replace this IR board. Hey guys, I hope you have seen 4 things you have to check when your LG TV is not turning on from standby. If it is on in standby but you are trying to turn it on but it is not being turned on, so you have to check 4 things. First, check burn mark of micom, this main controller IC. Second, check short circuit. Check short circuit of ceramic capacitor or other surface mount component. If you found that component is short circuited, replace it. Thing number 3, check system supply voltage. System supply voltage is 3.5 and 1.5. 3.5 is input, 1.5 is output to supply this micom. You check it from here to this IC404. Thing number 4, check IR signal. IR signal from here to this key button. You have to place here and check if voltage is changing. You have to check to put or to connect one plug of multimeter here and 2 here to this ground. Negative plug to this ground and this positive plug to pin number 3. Pin number 3 is key signal input to the main board. Check voltage while pressing this key button. If voltage is not changing from 3.5 to 0, this IR board is defective, is faulty. You have to replace it. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit subscribe button. Also, if there is something you have to upgrade to this video, let me know in a comment. If you are already subscribed, you can give us a thumbs up. You can like this video. Thank you for watching.